Question: have you ever wondered how much you can actually transfer into your Monzo account without hitting a limit? It's a question that often pops up, especially for those who use Monzo as their primary bank account. Let's dive into the details. Understanding Monzo limits. Daily transfer limit. One of the most common questions is about the daily transfer limit. Monzo typically imposes a daily limit on the amount you can transfer into your account. This limit is designed to prevent fraud and ensure the security of your funds. Factors affecting daily limit. The exact daily transfer limit can vary depending on several factors, including your account history. If you've been a Monzo customer for a long time and have a good transaction history, your limit might be higher. Verification level. A higher verification level, often involving providing additional documents, can increase your transfer limit. Recent activity. Unusual or large transfers might temporarily lower your limit as a security measure. Weekly and monthly limits. Weekly and monthly caps. In addition to daily limits, Monzo may also have weekly and monthly limits on the total amount you can transfer into your account. These limits are generally higher than the daily limit, allowing for larger transfers over longer periods. Understanding the purpose. These limits are put in place to prevent money laundering and other illicit activities. Other factors to consider. Transfer methods. The transfer method you use can also influence the limits. For instance, transferring from another bank account might have different limits compared to using a card or a mobile payment app. Account type. Your account type, whether it's a personal or business account, can also affect the transfer limits. Real-world examples. Case Study 1. A customer shares their experience with transferring a large sum of money for a house deposit. They discuss the process, any limits they encountered, and how they overcame them. Case Study 2. Another customer talks about their experience with international transfers and the potential limitations they faced. Tips for maximizing transfer limits. Verification. Ensure you have a high verification level with Monzo to increase your limits. Regular activity. Maintain a consistent transaction history to avoid triggering limits. Plan ahead. If you anticipate large transfers, plan ahead and inform Monzo of your intentions. Contact support. If you have any concerns or encounter unexpected limits, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support team. Conclusion. Recap. We've covered the key factors that influence transfer limits on Monzo accounts, including daily, weekly, and monthly caps. We've also discussed how verification levels, account history, and transfer methods can play a role. Final thoughts. While Monzo does have limits in place, understanding these limits and following best practices can help you maximize your transfer capabilities. Call to action. If you have any further questions or need more specific information, feel free to leave a comment below or visit the Monzo website. Closing. End sharply. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.